Meaning of fatuous.
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 Fatuous. Fatuous means something that is foolish, idiotic, or lacking intelligence. It describes a person or thing that is stupid and lacks good sense. When someone does something that is fatuous, it is usually an action that is senseless and shows a lack of good judgment. For example, it would be fatuous to attempt to fix a car without any knowledge of mechanics. Fatuous actions are often seen as being ridiculous or absurd, and they can result in negative consequences for the person who carries them out.